welcome back to the channel. I am Devakar Dinesh Chandan, first year MBBS student in Orenburg State Medical University, Russia. Today I am going to talk about how coronavirus and its vaccine works. First of all, we'll talk about coronavirus. These are actually RNA related viruses that cause disease in the mammals and birds. They got their name because of the corona, which means crown, and all viruses have crown like spike protein onto its surface, which also acts as antigen in our body. And in short, antigen is any kind of substance that cause the trigger of immune response and release of antibodies in our bloodstream. Now let's see what happens when this SARS-CoV-2 or severe acute respiratory syndrome virus 2 enters into our body via mucous membrane of eyes, nose or mouth. From there it travels down and attaches to the cells of organ that contain a specific kind of receptor called angiotensin converting enzyme 2 receptor. In short, it's ACE2 receptor. In the case, it's spleen, intestine and the lungs where it have most dramatic effect. Actually, this virus cannot infect any other cell that doesn't contain the ACE2 receptors. And in the lungs, there are billions of the epithelial cell waiting to get infected by the virus. The virus comes and attaches to the ACE2 receptor and injects its own genetic material into the cell. And the cell starts to execute the new instruction of viral genetic material, which is to make more copies of the virus. And in about 10 days, the virus made billions of its copies and millions of the cells get infected. Here, your immune response starts to kick in, and firstly, it is cell-mediated immune response via cytotoxic T cell or killer T cell and neutrophils. And these immune cells come near to the infected cell and release a protein called perforin, which gives the instruction of self-destruction or controlled suicide called apoptosis, which helps to stop the spread of infection to some degree in the body. But the main problem starts from here. There's some of the immune cells that come near to the contact of coronavirus. Now coronavirus infects some of the immune cells and causing confusion among them. And actually the immune cells communicate with each other via a chemical called cytokine. And after getting infected with the virus, these cells start to produce a lot of cytokine into the bloodstream, which attracts too many cytotoxic T cell and neutrophils. And this condition is called cytokine storm. This causes the burden in the immune system and wastage of its resources. The immune cell starts to kill virus, infected cell, and along with that, lots of healthy cells too. That can lead to scarring and fibrosis of the lung tissue, and it can even damage the protective ciliary lining of the lungs. That can lead to infection in the inner respiratory tract, mainly the bacterial infection. Infection may reach to alveoli, where the gaseous exchange happens, and sometimes in many cases it leads to pneumonia that can cause difficulty in the respiration, or respiration may fails. That can even lead to death. But not to worry much, because in many cases immune system regains its control back and makes many antiviral weapons and clears the battlefield, and recovery begins. And during this process, the body then stores some of the B and T lymphocyte as memory B and T lymphocyte that stores the information on how to fight the virus and releases antibodies as soon as the virus re-enters the body. And this generates the concept of vaccination. Vaccine is kind of training for the immune system to help the immune system to fight a particular kind of pathogen without actually getting infected with it. And the vaccines developed for the COVID-19 helps the immune system to know about the antigen of the virus. And there are 3 kinds of vaccine developed to help the body with this. The first is mRNA based vaccine, and this vaccine is the most popularly used vaccine that is being administered in the world. And this vaccine contains messenger RNA that is being encapsulated in the protein code that helps it from degrading by the enzymes of the body. And this mRNA contains the information on how to make the spike protein of the coronavirus. And when this vaccine is administered in the body, it then goes to the cell, and cell takes up the mRNA, and mRNA goes to the translation, and then cell makes the protein according to the coding of the mRNA, and then it releases the coronavirus spike protein only to the bloodstream, and the immune system then recognizes it as non-self and triggers its immune response. And the release of memory B and T cells, memory B and T lymphocytes at the end, and that stores the information of how to fight the coronavirus, and when the real virus enters into the body, it then quickly releases the antibody and neutralizes the virus, and hence the immunity develops. Second is the protein subunit vaccine. These includes the harmless protein of the virus that cause COVID-19, and once vaccinated, your immune system recognizes that and starts to make its T lymphocyte and antibodies. And if we ever get infected with the virus in the future, then the memory cells comes into the play and protects our body. The third one is vector vaccine. These vaccines contains the weakened version of different virus that doesn't cause COVID-19. Inside that contains the genetic material of the virus that cause COVID-19, and this is called the viral vector. And when this viral vector is inside our cells, that genetic material give the cell instruction to make the protein specific to the coronavirus, and that your immune system recognizes that as non-self and starts to make its memory B and T lymphocytes, and that will protect your body whenever the virus re-enters the body. Actually, all the vaccines supplies the body with the stores of memory B and T lymphocyte that stores the information on how to fight the virus. So that was it for today's video, guys. And if you get to know something new in this video, please make sure to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and make sure to hit that bell icon, and so that you will get the notification whenever I post a new video. And till then, for me, bye bye, take care.